Have you ever considered house flipping and wondered how it works? Well, it is a very common method for investors to make profits fast. The process is quite simple. An investor buys a house and then sells it for profit. Easy as that. Most investors tend to buy low, so they look for a fixer-upper. They then remodel the place to add more value and then sell it for profit. In 2020, the enhanced homes were selling for a median price of $218,000 with an average profit of $63,000. Take caution, house flipping can be a risky investment, but if you stay within your budget for renovations, you'll have a successful house flip. The house you choose to flip must be priced under market level when bought in order to make any profit. Many house flippers tend to look for the sore-eye house in a nice neighborhood. For example, if all the houses in a neighborhood are valued at $300,000, besides one that's valued at $160,000, that's your match right there. The low price gives you room to make renovations like a new kitchen, flooring, or maybe fix the plumbing. So, if we bought in at $160,000 and put $30,000 towards renovations, that brings us to spending $190,000 total. Now, we list and sell the property at or above market price. Listing at $300,000 gives us a potential profit of around $100,000 after closing costs. We strongly recommend and urge you to build great relationships with contractors, agents, and others and look out for good resources. We'll explain how they'll come in handy. Let's start with step 1. When finding a house to flip, you'll need a dependable system that will bring properties to the table. That could be a real estate agent, or many online websites and apps can track that as well. After you have a hit, analyzing if the house is a good flip is the next step. Take a look at what the current value is. Then, figure out what needs to be repaired and added to the house. Conclude with how much all that would cost. Be sure to include materials, labor, and permits if necessary. If your total is under the potential selling price to make profit, then you're good to go. Be wary if any red flags pop up. That is bound to happen. Never rush into a purchase. Give yourself time to process everything. Educate yourself and reach out to other successful house flippers when needed. Our biggest recommendation for potential investors is to know the market. Many first-time house flippers are excited and eager about something that can ultimately lead them to significant negative consequences. If you do not have an excellent real estate understanding, there is a possibility of losing thousands of dollars and wasting time you'll never get back. But don't let that intimidate you. So, will you guys be house flipping anytime soon? We'd love to hear your ideas. Let us know down below in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future investor content. Thanks for watching.